Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a borderless table to your Lucidchart Whiteboard presentation. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to Whiteboard presentation and let me just use that table here as an example. If you don't know how to add table to your whiteboard, click into this symbol here below the line tool and select table. And after that select your table resolution and position it on your table. Sorry, on your whiteboard, of course. So let me go with that one here. Click into the given table, click into the borders settings here and simply select the option to the very left, none. And now you got a table like this. You don't see the borders. There are borders as well as there are excuse my poor English, as there are cells. So simply click into the given cell to add the content. So let me go with A, B, C, D, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, the cell content is still visible, but the borders are not. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.